What's happening, guys? This is the Tonor TC-777 and today I'm going to share with you the pros and cons of this USB condenser microphone. This microphone can be found on Amazon for £39.99 and is one of many USB condenser microphones on the market. I should start off by saying that this review isn't sponsored or endorsed by Tonor, and all of the thoughts in this video are my own. To demonstrate the performance of this microphone, the audio of this review was recorded using the Tonor TC-777 at a 44.1 kHz 16-bit sample rate. The audio has not been enhanced or adjusted in any way. When you delve into the box, you will find the USB condenser microphone stand, shock mount, pop filter, user manual and also a warranty card. One of the first things that I noticed was the microphone itself is surprisingly small. With the exception of the metal grille, it's mainly constructed from plastic, so feels extremely lightweight and doesn't feel like it would survive too many knocks or bumps. The USB cable is hardwired into the microphone, which makes it a little bit awkward to store, but all things considered, the quality is okay for the £39.99 price tag. The desktop stand, shock mount and pop filter are useful additions to the kit, but there's certainly room for improvement. For example, the pop filter is attached to the shock mount and can't be detached, which I found to limit where you can position the microphone, and also the height of the desktop stand can't be adjusted, which isn't ideal. The user manual contains all of the basic information required to get started. The microphone is compatible with both Mac and Windows computers and is extremely easy and intuitive to use. To record audio on your computer, I recommend downloading a free software package such as Audacity to record and edit your audio, as this enables you to select your desired sample rate and regulate gain control. The microphone has a fairly limited frequency range from 100Hz to 16 kHz and records at a maximum 44 kHz 16-bit sample rate. The cardioid condenser capsule provides a unidirectional polar pattern which offers very good feedback projection from background noise. As you can hear, the microphone produces a clear vocal that has limited dynamic range, which is what you can expect for £39.99. It is clear that this microphone is best suited to home use such as video conferencing or gaming. I hope that this review and the sample audio of the Tonor TC-777 has been helpful. Thank you for taking the time to watch my review. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day.